Welcome to Rules Are for Good, a fun and collaborative activity where you'll create shared rules for your classroom or school. This exercise is all about teamwork, responsibility, and shaping the environment you want to thrive in. By the end of this activity, you will understand the importance of participation in class and school life, learn about the rights and responsibilities of being part of a group, strengthen your decision-making and discussion skills, develop a sense of belonging and accountability for your community. Here's how to get started. 1. Divide the class into groups of 5. 2. Each group receives an A2 sheet of paper and markers. 3. The facilitator or teacher introduces the task to develop shared rules for the classroom or a specific subject area. These rules will act as a mutual agreement, with everyone responsible for following them. The facilitator will guide you in creating rules based on key principles. They must be enforceable, realistic, and acceptable to all. They should include everyone equally and respect all perspectives. Each group will now come up with 3 to 5 rules. Use your creativity and make sure your rules align with the principles we've discussed. Think about what will help create a positive environment for everyone. Once your group has finalized its rules, it's time to share. Each group presents its ideas to the class. All the rules are posted on the wall. Using the idea bank method, everyone votes for the rules they feel are most important. You'll have a limited number of votes, so choose wisely. After voting, the facilitator tallies the results. The most popular and agreed upon rules become your official classroom or school agreement. Display them prominently on the wall so everyone remembers their commitment. Take a moment to reflect on the activity. Here are some questions to think about. What challenges did you face in making decisions? Did you feel responsible for the choices you proposed? What arguments did you use to support your ideas? Are you happy with the final set of rules? Why or why not? How important are shared spaces and common rules in a community? Should the agreement be revisited or updated in the future? Congratulations, you've just created a set of shared rules that reflect your collective values and goals. Remember, these rules are a living agreement that can evolve with your needs. Let's use them to create a positive and inspiring environment.